Hello guys, this is Mr. Stubbs and I will be your 7th grade math teacher this year. I'm extremely excited to get the ball rolling and get going into this year. Last year was kind of a whirlwind for me. My wife Dana and I had our first child. Baby Hudson James was born on March 28th. So last school year was really exciting and also a little stressful at times trying to get substitute plans ready and stuff like that. Um, but we're excited. We are going to have to send him to the sitters, which we are not extremely thrilled about, but my wife also teaches as well. She teaches 3rd grade at Canal Winchester. So we are a family of teachers. My sister is a teacher in the district. She works at Tollgate Elementary. She is a 3rd grade teacher as well. Um, this is my 7th year here at Ridgeview STEM Junior High, my 11th year in the district. I love Pickerington. I love Pickerington athletics, basketball, football. You'll catch me at most of those games. I also try to attend some stuff in the spring. Last year, I enjoyed a band concert put on by our students at Ridgeview. So if you guys got anything going on throughout the year, please let me know. I would love to attend and support you in whatever you're doing. I'm a big sports guy, specifically basketball, football, and baseball. I also enjoy watching track as well. I like working out. I attend Grace Fellowship Church off of Refugee Road. So if any of you guys are stopping in there or attend there regularly, you might see me out front greeting or driving the golf cart, so make sure you say hello. As far as math goes, this is Math 7. We do have standards that we need to meet this year, and we will meet those. If not, we are going to go down swinging with all we got. So we're definitely going to give it our best shot. We don't want to be average. As I always say, we want to be elite. As far as my education goes, I am a graduate of Ohio University, a Bachelor's of Science in Education and Middle School Math and Social Studies, and I am currently working on my Master's in Instructional Technology from Fort Hays State University. So that is kind of my education background. Again, I'm excited to meet you guys. Can't wait to hear and learn more about you as we go through the year. And let's get it going.